So hello everyone, my name is Clarence Zulafa, a BSat English for a student. In this video, I'm going to present a lesson plan for grade 7. Our topic is types of character in literature. There are 7 types of character, but in this video, I'm going to present only 4, which are the protagonist, antagonist, flat, and round characters. But before we proceed with our discussion, let's first know our learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify protagonists, antagonists, flat and round characters, analyze the types of characters in a story, create and classify original character as protagonist, antagonist, flat, or round through clear written description. I began the class with greetings, prayer, classroom management, and checking of attendance. Then, I started the class with a motivational activity. I call this activity Guess the Character Cinderella Edition. The mechanics is, I provided the names of characters printed on the flashcards in each group. And when I flash or show the character's picture on the count of 3, the students must raise the correct name of the character. Then afterwards, the group who answers correctly should have at least one representative and provide a brief description of this character. For the activity, I let the students to revisit the story of Cinderella by reading it. So I provided a copy of Cinderella excerpt in each group. And the students must read it silently, and afterwards within the group, students should identify the protagonist, antagonists, and flat and round characters in the story by answering the following question on a piece of paper. The following questions are: who is the protagonist? Who is the antagonist? Identify a flat character and identify a round character. After 5 minutes, I asked the students to exchange their papers, and for the analysis part, we check the answers of the students in the given questions from the activity.
So let's check your answer. So please exchange it with other group. Okay, so now let's answer the first question. So did you guys read well the answer? Yes. Very good. So let's check the first one. Who is the protagonist? I think we'll start with the group 1. So group 1, I have to say. Cinderella is the protagonist. Why? Can you read Cinderella is the protagonist? Yes! Sure? Yes! Correct. So let's grab the group 1. For the next, who is the antagonist? So we have group 2. Can anybody from the group answer? Who is the antagonist? Just simply first, who is the antagonist? The antagonist is the stepsister now according to the group 2. Is it correct? Group 3. The antagonist of is near stepsister or the stepsister. Other answer, do you have answer? Group 1.
For the abstraction part, we already discussed the topic, which is the types of character that mainly focus to protagonists, antagonists, flat and round characters. This part is very crucial because this is where the explaining concept is being done, where I define each types of character. The protagonist, it is the main character who drives the plot forward. The antagonist, it opposes them and create conflict. While flat characters are simple and not well developed, and round characters are complex and fully developed. For the application part, we had an activity and I call it character creator. For the mechanics, each group will pick a type of character and come up with an original name for the character and make a short description of its personality and role in a story. Write also at least 1 to 2 sentences about how the character would behave in a conflict. So, after creating the character, pick one representative in each group to present the group work, and they can also choose one person to act the character while presenting the work.
Characters. Please listen. Gobi ang name ng character. Gobi. Then, the type. So, the antagonist, Gobi is an antagonist. Yeah, description. Basically, Gobi is a rich man daw, anak ng isang mayaman.
For the evaluation part, I asked the students to answer a 10-item quiz. The type of quiz is identification, wherein they need to identify whether the given example or description is a protagonist, antagonist, flat, or round characters. For our agreement, I asked the student to read any literature and identify other types of characters in literature. Define and explain each type of character briefly. And that's it for my presentation of lesson plan. Thank you for watching.